WebinarNinja includes easy registration and thank you page builders, giving you professional landing pages customized with your own unique branding. No coding, no hassle. All you have to do is choose a template and customize. Simply add content, like your logo, a compelling image, or short summaries of what your audience will learn. Tweak the colors and fonts, and you're done. With our video page templates, you can even add a short promotional video. You can also customize the registration form to gather the data that matters most to you. Add custom fields to discover who your registrants are and what they need. Things like their industry, their biggest challenges, age, income, experience, anything. Make your custom fields optional or required. You can make any custom form the default for all your webinars. Our registration forms are secured by CAPTCHA, so there's no chance of cyber attacks or fake sign-ups from bots. If you prefer, you can always embed our secure registration forms onto your own website. Once a visitor signs up, your custom thank you page helps commit them to actually attending on the day of your webinar. Add your own brand images and tweak the overall look. You can even add a compelling video from YouTube or your own library. Our thank you pages also include the Add to Calendar feature. This integrates with online tools like Google Calendar to lock your webinar into the personal schedule of each registrant. Get ready for more sign-ups and higher attendance at each and every webinar with WebinarNinja's quick, easy landing pages.